Hello and welcome to Katrina Clutter Free. Today I'm in my closet in the bedroom, which you've seen a video of for organization before. It was a 3-part series. If you missed that, you can click the link right over here and that will take you to it. But today I'm going to be talking about my jewelry and how I organize it. I have not used a jewelry box in years. I think it's been at least 10 years, maybe more. I used to have, you know, the real pretty little fancy wood with the velvet lining and all that stuff. And I found that my jewelry kept getting all tangled up, especially the necklaces. So I came up with this idea and I haven't looked back. It's cheap. You can find this in pretty much any department store or like Walmart type of place. You could find it anywhere there. Amazon sells them. Yeah. Anyway, let me turn this around and I will show you how I have my jewelry set up, and it works great. Alright, call me OCD, but I like to wear coordinating jewelry. If I'm wearing something blue, I like to wear something blue that matches as far as my jewelry goes. So I have these containers. I have 3 of them, and you'll recognize them as the type you can buy at any Walmart. Now I have stuck stickers on them, like this one says C Jewelry, and you can see the jewelry underneath it, like this says pearls. So a lot of the jewelry I've gotten, like here's aqua colored beads. I've gotten a lot of my jewelry off of eBay. It's not real, but I like to coordinate it together. So anyway, like here I can see I have C Jewelry. Now if I open it up, this was actually given to me by my parents, and it's called C Jade. And then I have these labeled for pins. So I have some pins here. These were my grandmother's, and that was my grandmother's also. Like here, this is labeled on the front, silver earrings. So I have any of my earrings that are just plain silver. Some of them have like this has a little pearl on it, but silver earrings. These are pearls. Here I have silver rings. So they don't have stones in them. They're just plain. Like this was Sarah Coventry years ago. This was my grandmother's, if you remember the spoon rings from the 70s. That was hers. So I used this. These were my mother's or my grandmother's. They were like the crystal. They're actually lucite, but they're made to look like faceted crystal. But I think they're neat. So I have that. My charm bracelet. So I have it all labeled. Like here we have turquoise. I have 2 things in turquoise. Which is funny because I really very rarely wear turquoise. This is hematite, which is like I don't even know what exactly it is, but it's hematite. Sometimes they call it black diamond, but it's not. It's a type of a stone. So why do I have 3 of them? Because I have one that is set up for my gold colored jewelry, one that is set up for my silver colored jewelry, and one for jewelry that's kind of novelty or in between type of thing. Like I keep novelty earrings here. Some of these stickers I do need to change because this says topaz. It's not. These are patriotic earrings. In fact, I wore those to church this past Sunday for Memorial Day. Yeah, so here I have like topaz colored things here and here because that's my birthstone, so I do have a lot in that. And this is some fake rose gold jewelry. So I organize it like this. Here's some more holiday type of pins. This is emeralds. Well, they're not real emeralds. They're fake. I got this off of Temu. I think I paid $1 or $2 for it. Maybe $3 most. But yeah, so that is how I have it organized. And by keeping it with the little labels on the front, I can see right through it. I can see what I'm getting. My necklaces do not get tangled up because for the most part, I only put 1 necklace per set. Like I store all of my things together. Like for instance, well, look at this. It says pink. So is any of my pink jewelry. Well, I don't have a pink necklace. I have two pink like elastic bracelets. And then I have a little pink ring. And these were from Avon. Dave's grandmother gave them to me one year. It's a pin, and then there's earrings that match. But as you can see, I don't have a necklace in there, and if I did, it wouldn't get all that tangled up because there's not that much in there. Like here I have opals. Now those are real. I have opals. So there's earrings, and there's one necklace, and there's, let's see if I can move this around. There's the necklace, but because there's not that much in it, it doesn't get tangled up. So I keep all of the like items together, and that way it's very easy to pull it open, get what I need. Like here's red stones. So there's a ring. There's two necklaces in here, but because there's only two, they really, as you can see, don't get tangled up. And these red beads are the other red necklace. So I have used this, like I said, this system for years. I love it. It's so easy to find stuff. And the other little tip, if you're going away on a trip, is to get one of these at the dollar store. They come straight, or they're for pills, but you can get them like the straight long ones, or you can get them like this. And you can plan the jewelry that you're going to wear or take, and then just store it for each day in these, and that way it doesn't get messed up. You don't have to take a whole lot, and you can just tuck it in with your travel stuff. So I do that when we go on trips, although in all honesty, when I go on a trip, I tend to wear some jewelry. The earrings are neutral, and the necklace is neutral, and I tend to just wear it the whole time and not even take it off. But if you were, this is an ideal way of doing it. It's a cheap solution, and you can store everything in there. So yeah, that's my travel jewelry if I want to use that. So I hope that you have found this to be helpful. Kind of fun, just a different way of organizing things that doesn't work for everybody, but it works for me, so I thought I would share it with you all. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow. Do not forget, we are doing our giveaway for yarn, so if you haven't already signed up for it, I will put the link at the end of the video. Make sure you go over there and get entered for the giveaway, and I will be doing the giveaway tomorrow for the yarn, and I'm also going to be doing a yarn review on some Dollar Tree yarn. So make sure you check that out tomorrow. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Bye.